See, you put a load on in from Wolds Drive, temporary classroom.
Yeah.
And that's the reception area just gone in.
This one here for this part of the school, yeah.
Do you know what the projected whole length of the job is?
It's no worries, mate. I think I only started here the other day, so
Yeah.
I think it's about 18 months.
We live on Rannoch Gardens, which runs quite low down there.
Yeah.
And we have a problem with people coming and parking at the end.
Yeah.
When it's done, they'll be parking in the school, will they? The school grounds.
Yeah, big car park in there, yeah. Yeah, the crane driver, the lad down there, he's separate, he's traffic management, he sets all these up.
All right, yeah.
So we've got the crane driver, 2 slingers, and then we've also got lads that are going to set the cabin up now it's being dropped.
So then they've got to connect it to services, presumably.
Yeah. So it's all ready to be connected up, yeah.
Is it really? Fantastic system, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can I video the bit you dropped in, please, mate?
Yeah, through fence, yeah.
Yeah, right.
That's what it is here. You can see it through fence.
Right. This is the low loader that brought the reception area in. That's been dropped in by crane this morning. And that is the reception area that's just been dropped in this morning on the 7th of August 2026. Can I congratulate you, man? Not only have you done this fantastic feat of engineering, you can write as well.
Yeah. Trouble is, you can't read what I've just written.
Oh, it's like, is it like doctors writing?
Yeah, I'm left-handed. I'm just thick. But I can read my pace, I can. Have a good one. Have a lovely week. Get through there. I'll be alright. Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Alright, buddy.
So, yeah. Is that the bit they've just dropped in then?
That's it, yeah.
And that is as much as I can see of the reception area that they've just dropped in.